Katie Howland, and I'm going to tell you about the Fibonacci sequence. What is the Fibonacci sequence? Well, first, who's Fibonacci? Fibonacci's real name was Leonardo Bonacci, and he was also known as Leonardo of Pisa. He was an Italian mathematician who lived around the end of the 12th century and into the beginning of the 13th century. He wrote a book called Fibonacci, or Book of Calculations, that introduced the concepts of algebra to the Western world. And what's a sequence? A sequence is a set of numbers that's listed in a particular order. The Fibonacci sequence was first introduced by Fibonacci in his book Fibonacci. It's a sequence of numbers, each member of which is the sum of the previous two numbers, starting with 1 and 1. We can see that sequence here. 1 and 1 added together equal 2, 2 plus 1 equaling 3, 3 plus 2 equaling 5, and so on to infinity. We can also illustrate this sequence with squares, starting with a 1 by 1 square, adding another 1 by 1 square, then a 2 by 2 square, a 3 by 3 square, etc. Each new square sides being the sum of the sides of the previous two squares. If we connect these squares, we get the Fibonacci spiral. This spiral is often superimposed over paintings or pictures of the human body to illustrate perfect proportions. Here we can see it on the painting of the Mona Lisa, on a human ear, and on a sketch by Da Vinci of the perfect proportions of man. The Fibonacci sequence also tends to show up randomly in nature. If you take any flower and count its petals, you'll find that it's almost always a Fibonacci number. 1, 3, 5, 8, 13. Geraniums and mums often have 34 or 55 petals. Just think of how odd it is to find a four-leaf clover. Another place the Fibonacci sequence shows up is in the family tree of bees. Male bees only have one parent, a mother, whereas female bees have a mother and a father. So let's construct the family tree of this one male bee. Well, he has one mother. She has a mother and a father, two bees. Continuing the pattern, we give the female bee two parents, a male and a female, and this male bee one parent, a female. Then we have 5 bees, continuing that pattern. Going down from there, we find 8 bees, and so on. If you continue following this, you'll find that every tier of this bee's family tree has a Fibonacci number of bees in it. So why does this happen? Is it just coincidence? Is it random? It's questions like that that mathematicians like Fibonacci ask and search for answers to every day, leading us to new and exciting discoveries about the world around us. Thanks for watching.